Hello friends, welcome to Dev Defense Academy. And if you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel by pressing the bell icon. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% what you make out of it. Welcome friends on board to Dev Defense Academy, and today we'll be discussing how adopting a positive attitude can create the life we want. If we want to build and maintain a positive attitude, we need to consciously practice the following steps. Step 1. Change focus. Look for the positive. We need to become good finders. We need to focus on the positive in life. Let's start looking for what is right in a person or situation instead of looking for what's wrong. Because of our conditioning, we are so attuned to finding fault and looking for what is wrong that we forget to see the positive picture. Even in paradise, fault finders will find faults. There's something positive in every person and every situation. Sometimes we have to dig deep to look for the positive because it may not be apparent. Besides, we are so used to looking for what is wrong with other people and situations that we forget to see what is right. Someone said that even a stopped clock is right twice a day. Some people always look at the negative sides. Who is a pessimist? Pessimists are unhappy when they have no troubles to speak. They feel bad when they feel good. For fear, they will feel worse when they feel better. They spend most of their life as complaint counters. They always turn out the lights to see how dark it is. They cannot enjoy their health because they think they may be sick tomorrow. Believe that the sun shines only to cast its shadows. They forget their blessings and count their troubles. They know that hard work never hurts anyone, but they believe, why take a chance? Then, who is an optimist? An optimist is one who is so strong that nothing can disturb their peace of mind. Talk health, happiness and prosperity to every person they meet. Make all their friends feel there's something in them. Look at the sunny side of everything. Think only of the best, work only for the best, and expect only the best. Be as enthusiastic about the success of others as they are about themselves. Forget the mistakes of the past and press on to the great achievements of the future. Give everyone a smile. Spend so much time improving themselves that they have no time to criticize others. Step 2. Make a habit of doing it now. We have all procrastinated at some time in our lives. I know I have, only to have regretted it later. Procrastination leads to a negative attitude. The habit of procrastination fatigues you more than the effort it takes to do it. A completed task is fulfilling and energizing. An incomplete task drains energy like a leak from a tank. If you want to build and maintain a positive attitude, get into the habit of living in the present and doing it now. He slept beneath the moon, he basked beneath the sun. He lived a life of going to do and died with nothing done. Step 3. Develop an attitude of gratitude. Count your blessings, not your troubles. Take time to smell the roses. It is not uncommon to hear someone, because of an accident or illness, became blind or paralyzed, but won $1 million in settlement. How many of us would like to trade places with that person? Not many. We are so focused on complaining about things we don't have that we lose sight of the things we have. There's a lot to be thankful for. Step 4. Get into a continuous education program. Education that builds fundamental traits of character such as honesty, compassion, courage, persistence, and responsibility. It is absolutely essential. We don't need more academic education. We need more valued education. I would stress that a person who's morally educated will be a lot better equipped to move up in life or succeed than a morally bankrupt person with excellent academic qualifications. Character building and teaching values and ethics come in formative years because a child is not born with this knowledge. We need to compete for knowledge and wisdom, not for grades. Knowledge is piling up facts, wisdom is simplifying it. One could have good grades and a degree without learning much. The most important thing one can learn is to learn. Step 5. Build a positive self-esteem. What is self-esteem? Self-esteem is the way we feel about ourselves. When we feel good within, our performance goes up. Our relationships improve both at home and at work. The world looks nicer. If you want to build a positive self-esteem, quickly, one of the fastest ways to do something for others who cannot repay you in cash or kind. Step 6. Stay away from negative influence. Avoid staying close to people who ridicule you or make you feel bad about yourself. Step 7. Start your day with a positive attitude. Practice having positive thoughts and behavior daily until they become a habit. Thank you friends. We hope you liked our video and it was helpful. If you have any queries or concerns, you can write down in the comments box below and we'll get back to you shortly. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel by pressing the bell icon.